Welcome to Powerhouse Equipment. Today, we're showcasing some extraordinary machines that we're confident you'll find fascinating. Stay tuned to discover how a set of sharp blades excels at pruning shrubs. Hedge cutter. An exceptional hedge cutter from Germany employs large saw blades attached to a tractor to clear overgrown vegetation blocking pathways. Equipped with multiple spinning blades on a flexible arm, it effortlessly trims tree branches, shrubs, and other obstructive plants. Dredging beast. Next, we present a colossal dredging machine built for shallow water tasks. It's widely used for dredging, piling, and raking. With its sturdy frame and robust hydraulics, this machine can move independently until it reaches the water it's set to work in. As shown, while it can float, it remains more stable with its solid legs anchored to the ground below the water. Featuring a wide range of interchangeable attachments, operations can begin as soon as it's prepared. This versatile technology completes tasks efficiently, saving both time and money. It clears debris, removes invasive water plants, and reinforces riverbanks and coastlines through pile driving. Plus, it can be operated remotely for added convenience. Its spuds ensure stable anchoring for prolonged operations and effective piling for excavation or cable installation. Terra mower. Up next is Terra, a typhoon-like clearing mower that obliterates everything in its path. Powered by a high-performance radial piston motor and a heat-treated spindle hub, its durable blade is designed to simplify cutting through trees, bushes, and other vegetation. The blade guard can be removed for open cutting, allowing the operator to adapt to various environments. Felling a 12-inch tree is a breeze for Terra, which operates smoothly with long-lasting components. Agria sprayer. For large-scale crop spraying, the Agria sprayer is an ideal choice. This groundbreaking sprayer covers a 54-meter-wide area while applying chemicals. Its compact wheels are adjustable, ranging from 150 to 225 centimeters apart, enabling the driver to navigate fields without harming crops. Its Green Flow Plus system ensures consistent pressure for uniform spraying, maximizing efficiency and precision. This machine is undeniably effective, economical, ergonomic, and eco-friendly. Diamond 2000 chipper. Take a close look at this. A massive piece of timber will be transformed into countless wood chips. These chips serve multiple purposes, such as raw materials for paper production, biomass fuel, organic mulch, or ecological restoration. That's why chippers are highly sought after in the forestry and timber industries. BM's Diamond 2000 is a formidable machine, producing wood chips ranging from 15 to 60 millimeters in diameter at a rate of 380 cubic meters per hour. Its quick-change counter blades, automatic pressure adjustment for crane supports, and independent differential lock expand its operational range and allow customization to meet specific needs. Heavy-duty tractor. Modern farming demands robust tractors, large plows, and durable blades. This powerful tractor, paired with its Linvar Titan plow equipped with hydraulic rollers, represents the future of agricultural tilling. The plow's rear wheels ensure stability and automatically adjust to terrain levels. For those aiming to increase crop yields, this machine is a valuable investment. Cleantech infrared dredger. Today, water bodies are increasingly plagued by sludge, silt, and excessive weed growth, posing challenges for local governments. Fortunately, the Cleantech Infest Designer offers a floating dredger that quickly reaches debris. Its amphibious excavators are perfect for shallow water dredging in rivers, canals, and urban areas with limited land access. With a 50-ton reach and 360 degrees rotation, it deposits silt directly onto the shore. The CleanTech Infrared is undoubtedly a top choice for tackling water cleanup challenges. Class Heights Mod. Heights Sama's canal system is a cornerstone of agricultural practices, but it requires regular upkeep. The Class Heights Mod, equipped with the HEMA Stitch Cleaner, is the ultimate tool for this task. It replaces all mowing bucket cranes and walk-behind cultivators. Its blades clear ditches of silt and debris, restoring freshwater flow in just one pass. SNPC Bulk Brick Maker. This machine produces bricks in large volumes with excellent efficiency and minimal noise. Operated by just 3 workers, it runs on a diesel engine, consuming 16 to 18 liters of fuel per hour to produce 5,000 to 6,000 bricks. The operator feeds in raw materials, and using its rolling brick technique, the machine forms bricks while moving, resembling a mobile factory. Tilling equipment. Next up is essential farming gear. Tilling equipment. Towed behind a tractor, this machinery is dragged across soil to prepare it for planting. The trailer's rear end, equipped with thin, pizza cutter-like wheels, digs into the soil, churning it to expose nutrient-rich layers. Trenching machine. The next clip, from Next Trencher, highlights an impressive trenching device. Attached to a specialized tractor, it features a large rotating mining belt that operates like a chainsaw. This adjustable belt digs deep into the ground, neatly depositing excavated soil to the side in a pile. Chemrock Cutter. On our list is the Chemrock Excavator Cutter attachment. Like other tools mentioned, it uses a spinning blade to slice through stone walls, whether for installing structural supports or setting explosives for demolition. Rock King 9600. Next is a demonstration of Delman's Rock King 9600. With an 8-ton wide grate and substantial holding capacity, it quickly collects rocks using paddle teeth on its spinning arms. Once full, it unloads the gathered rocks efficiently. Then there's a jaw-dropping underwater claw lift from the VersaBar. The design is based on their VB10000 lift, which is already a powerful and robust lift that is the largest lift vessel ever built in the US. The claw, on the other hand, uses a different mechanism to actually grab large objects from deep underwater. Each of the 2 claws is 120 feet tall and 112 feet wide, weighing in at 1,000 tons each. They can lift an amazing 1,600 tons of metal when they work together, as you can see here. Trey John Snowblower. Last but not least, a tractor-mounted snowblower from Trey John. It may not clear airstrips, but it ensures that skiers and automobiles may travel safely in densely snowed-in areas. It has an adjustable spout that allows the snow to blast out in any direction, allowing the snow to be manipulated in a controlled and precise manner. Thanks for watching this episode of Machines Visit. If you have any ideas as to what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment, and we'll try to include it for you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us, and with that, we'll see you next time.